Okay, on number 10 here, it says if f prime is equal to f. Okay, so capital F is the antiderivative. When you take the derivative, it's equal to f again. Express this in terms of f of x. Okay, so basically what this means is f of x is the antiderivative, is equal to the antiderivative from 1 to 2, f of 2x dx. That's what it's saying. We want to find out what the antiderivative is. Okay, we're trying to figure out what that is. All right, so what do you think we're going to do here? What method of integration are we going to use here? What do we notice? U substitution. Why is it going to be U substitution here? This is inside. Okay, so what I'm going to set up this problem by doing is doing a U. My U is equal to 2x, so my derivative is going to be 2, so du over 2 equals dx. Notice that I also have bounds, so when I have bounds and I do U substitution, what else do I need to do? Plug them in. I want to find out what my upper bound is, and I want to find out what my lower bound is. So my upper bound, I'm plugging 2 into the 2x part, in for my, I guess I shouldn't draw an arrow there, I'm really plugging it in for u. 2, plug in there, 1 plug in there. So when I plug in 2, my upper bound's going to be 4. When I plug in 1, my lower bound's going to be 2. Makes sense to that point. So, sub in 2, 4. Not f of 2x anymore, now it's f of u. And instead of dx, I'm plugging in this. Oh, not that, just kidding. Plugging in that. Du over 2. That's going in for dx. Good so far. I've got that 2 on bottom, so what can I do with that 2? Pull it out in front. So this can be 1/2. So I can also take the integration of lowercase f of u. What is the integration of lowercase f of u going to be? Capital F, the antiderivative of it. I don't know what the thing is, I don't know what the function is, but I can say that it's capital F of u. And since I have bounds, I want to evaluate it from 4 to 2. Make sense? Who cares if the function is weird? Okay, whatever. It's a letter F, whatever. What do I do at the next point when I'm trying to evaluate it? Plug in 4 and plug in 2. It's going to be 1/2 times. Plug in 4 into this equation. So it's going to be f of 4. Okay, I'll write it down. I don't know what it is, but I can write it down. Minus the lower bound, f of 2. That's it. It said express it in terms of f. That's expressed in terms of f. Capital F is now being used.